This Nike outlet just opened 3 minutes ago. Nike Factory Store Torrance. They got all kinds of empty spots, but at least we get 40% off. And where size 10 starts right here, goes all the way to the end. 10, 10 and a halves. Wow. And of course, I gotta check the women's biggest sizes as well, see if there's any crazy steals. Also checking the aisles to see if there are any extended size steals. All right, back in the men's clearance, we're starting with the smaller sizes. 8.5 Pegasus Plus, $80. Pegasus 41, same price. Seems like the Pegasus Plus such a better deal. All kinds of these free Metcon 6s, $100. This Pegasus Plus, the same thing. I don't know. Got some Jordan 3 black cement cleats, $195. These look so freaking dope for cleats. Performance-wise, are they any good though? I don't know. Invincible runs in a pretty mediocre colorway, $110. Which drops that down to what, 70 something. All kinds of Vomeros down here, $80. Remember, you get 40 off, so that's at $48. Blazers, $110. Seeing extended size prices right here. Air Max DN8s, $120 with the extra discount. Remember, the gray tags means it's extended size priced. It means they lowered it because they're trying to get rid of a lot of the bigger sizes. Jaw ones, after the discount, $36, size 8. GT Cut Cross, what is this? Is this like one of their budget GTs? I don't know. Don't know. Never seen this. Got Jordans right here. These are women's. Jordan 140. We've been seeing these for hella cheap lately. $120 for those next gens. Curious to see some of the extended size items because we're seeing some here in the smaller section. Some budget running shoes, $35. That's like $20 after a discount. Are these the Vomeros that I grabbed? I don't even remember. I'm not gonna lie. $140 for those aluminum foil Air Max ones. Extended size price to $90. Got clearance apparel, 40% off. That does include these tech fleece. We've been seeing really good price on tech fleece, $95, $40 off. We've been seeing that for a while. Some spots I feel like they've been having better deals. I think Citadel had some crazy prices. Some regular, really thin fleece right here. Fleece jackets, $60, $40 off. Got them in black as well, $60, 40% off. That's hell of a price. $36 for a fleece jacket. It is super thin though. Got some thin sweatshirts, same material, $55 right here in multiple colorways, and matching shorts. And it's matching shorts because it's super thin. Don't need to wait till the winter to wear this stuff. $45 for these. Oh, but it's not an extra 40 off. It's jackets only. These technically aren't jackets, but I'm assuming they're talking about these. I just walked by somebody. They smell like weed, like big time. I'm like, damn, it's 10 in the morning, fools. 10 in the morning. $80 for these bad boys right here. Tech fleece pants, 40% off. $48, not too bad. $45 for this hoodie right here. It is pretty lightweight. More tech fleece right here. Price unknown. It is a large. Shout out to the homie Al over there. We chopping it up for like 20 minutes, talking about the 4s and talking about all kinds of other deals. All right, let's finish up the back wall. Is this the one that I got? How do I not know which one? I don't think this is the one, was it? Shit, I don't know better now. But they do have a 10.5 here. Price is kind of crazy though. Got these Forces right here with some faux alligator skin, $100. Got some Flyknit ones right here. These bad boys going for $110. Dunks, $1.25. P6075. Invincible runs. These are size 8 though, not my size. But yeah, $130 for these. That's why I've been picking these up whenever I've seen them like for way cheap. Finally see a price on these GT. What the hell? GT Cut Cross. $90 for those. Remember, you do get an extra 40 off. Icons, $110. Size 11.5 dunks, $75. Pegasus 41s for you wide footers, $110. Got some refurb Witness right here, $80. Not much craziness. That was a huge size 10 section. Nothing too crazy. See, this is the weird thing. Like, this is the size 11s right here. If they don't have that many bigger sizes, then why are there so many extended size price items? Like, that just doesn't make sense to me. Like these P6000s, $50, you get an extra 30 off. Like, why would all these be on sale if there's just not much? $80 for these. These were 100 in the smaller sizes. Even these Pegasus Plus right here, they're down to 50. We saw that at some of the other spots. Found a size 11 of these a while back. Yeah, 14s and 15s right here. Jordan Access, $35. Size 15s. We got a few other extended size things, but like budget stuff. Nike Quest, Revolution 7s. I'm not that much of a business guy, but I don't know. I just can't wrap my head around that. It just doesn't really make much sense to me. I don't know. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section. I'm confused as hell. Got sweats. We got shorts. Kind of been the same thing over and over. Shorts going for $38. These camo tech fleece going for $65. You get that extra 40% off. Really good price for tech fleece. They got all kinds of red tags in the apparel section. It says basketball tops only. That is the name of a bar that I want to make. Tops only. Or would it be bottoms only? It'd be bottoms only, no? I don't know, whatever. $45. Got lightweight fleece right here. $45. 40 off. Got Mamba stuff right here. These are talls though, so medium talls. $90. Normally $125. Got a bunch of mediums. You got larges and extra larges as well. And you got additional hoodies right here, lightweight hoodies, $50. Get the little Jordan logo on it. Got Nike. Oh, the same one right here in a black. These go for $50, so 30% off, $35. All kinds of workout gear. This is more sweats and stuff. $50. Got a little lightweight fleece jacket right here. Go for $55. 40% off some of the golf polos and stuff. $50 for polos. What? That is like the most random t-shirt, really? An alligator next to a Nike golf ball? What the hell? What the hell? That's so freaking random. But yeah, I got some more polo dry fits and stuff. These going for the same price. $60 for those. The black ones going for $40. And then we got Tiger Woods red polos right here going for $40, even though Tiger Woods not with Nike no more. All right, let's check out the aisles where we do see a ton of non-signature Jordans, a bunch of generic stuff. Then we got lows, we got mids, immortalities, witnesses, LeBron Next Gens, a couple of those. Benassi slides, kind of their budget slides. I think these are the really hard ones, so yeah, they're hard as a rock, dang. Court Royales, Light Legacies. Why did I show you guys Court Royales? All white. Got some dunks, more dunks. That's enough dunks. Way overpriced. Got some P6000s. Got quite a few of those bad boys. Price is going down. Pegasus 2005. Price is definitely gonna go down on these. Lunar Roams. Got one Vomero. Then got a bunch of Lunar Roams. Forces, Air Max 2017s, got Air Max DNs. I think that's the lowest price we've ever seen on Air Max DNs. $48. $48 for the blue ones. That's freaking cheaper than Ross. God dang, dude. $48. Got some orange ones, Air Max 1s, Air Max 90s. Someone in the comments mentioned that the midsole, so the midsole color that's off. Is that what it is? That makes these B grades the color is way different, so that definitely makes sense. Because every pair we've seen for these are the wolf grays. They've all been cosmetic imperfections or cosmetic imperfect ones. I learned from you guys just as much as you guys learned from me, because I don't have time to keep up with all the sneaker news and stuff like that. Dugat Infinity Runs, that might be the cheapest we've seen those, right? They're like $48. Got multiple colorways for that cheap. All right, let's go back to the women's clearance section where they got a nice little deal on this 270 right here, 80 bucks or 70 bucks. That might be the cheapest we've seen those. They seem to have a ton of these Jordan 6s. These are the regular sizes, size 8 right here. Going for 120. Air Max DN Premiums, 115. Woodside Chukkas going for 70. Not really seeing too much. 150. Oh, these ain't even Vapor Max. Some Trails, Pegasus Trails going for $80. Air Max 1s going for 100. Got some Jordan 312s, 105. Pegasus Plus, I think these are men's, $80. Infinity Run 3s, okay, at least we get to see the price. We saw that a couple seconds ago, 80 bucks. All right, let's move on to the women's aisles. This is a dope find, especially for men if they had men's sizes. But yeah, they only have 6 to size 10 women, so biggest they got 8.5. Got some Dunks, Blazer Mids, couple of DNs. It's like a Sail Light Soft Pink, 270s. Ton of generic stuff that I don't know the name of. Running section right here, got Infinity Runs, Pegasus Trail 4s, got another one right here, and some Pegasus stuff like that, nothing too crazy. Moving over to the grade school, I didn't even know they made these in grade schools. Shocks R4s, got some Kids Cortez, Forces, couple Dunks, Midnight Navy, Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits. Got Spizike Lows and some Access. I think that's about it.
I'm sorry.
No, excuse me. Yeah, not really seeing too many crazy things here. I do see one of these. I probably should put my shoes in there. My Vapor bags got screwed up. I might show you guys that later in this video. I do have another pair in the car. Another pair of shoes, that is. Should I just throw these in today? All right, do got some more J's with me. Oh shit, I left this right here. But yeah, do got some J's with me. I'm gonna throw these on, dude. So the air bubble popped on these. I think you could see the little hole right there. I don't know, is it too blurry? I don't know. But yeah, the air bubble popped on these earlier today. You guys will see how I popped it in a few minutes. If you mess up your shoes within a couple years, they do warranty it, and even if it's like your mistake like this, they warranty it. But these shoes are what, 5-6 years old? I think I've had these for like 5-6 years, so I'm gonna recycle them, dude. I'm gonna recycle them. I forgot to take a thumbnail, I'm so dumb. But yeah, there it goes, man. There it goes. We're done. Dang it. So sad. Been finding all kinds of heat at Burlington. And of course, prices have been hella low. We are starting in Lawndale. Problem is, they don't always hit. Look at how empty some of these shelves are. Yikes. Damn, this is like one of the rare occasions where I literally have nothing to show you in the women's. So much for finding any Jordan collabs here. Let's move on to the men's, where we got Jordan 1 mules, and these are golf, $30. That's not bad. If that's your thing, that's not my thing, but that's not bad if that's your thing right there. Size 8.5. Been seeing an influx of Metcons lately, 50 bucks for these. Some budget baseball cleats, football cleats, 25 bucks, size 10. Got LeBron's one with the carpet material, 65. And a lot of bare shells in the men's section as well. Oh, they're talking about the Crocs prices, $30 for those. LeBron Next Gen go for 55. Weightlifting Nikes right here, 50. More of the LA Ram slides. These have been 20, size 13s. Another one of these. All right, there's a Ross across the street. Guess we hitting them up. Got one of these in the same parking lot. We're starting to find more interesting apparel. We got a Nike Braves t-shirt right here. Going for $7. Couple UCLA polos, 20 bucks. But in terms of really high quality apparel, not much. So we're moving over to the sneaker section, where we got some big blazers going for 40. Ooh, Project Rock. Right next to that, are these the BSRs? I don't know. But Got some of these bad boys right here. $55. Got some Converse. These do not look like Chuck All-Stars, going for 40. More Chucks right here, going for 40. Doing both of these trips super early. Did everything good get scooped up last night or something? What the hell? Ain't got nothing. Not much to show you guys. Damn, not much in terms of Nike, Adidas. Anything good, to be really honest. Oh, hell no. Dude, look, I'm wearing Vapor Max and I got a security. Oh, these Vapor Max are done, dog. Oh, man, my Vapor Max are... F*** you. F*** you. Oh, man, my Vapor Max are done. Oh, no, I've had these for like 5 years, probably. Man, oh, it's done. Damn, Ross, they're not even taking care of their stuff. Got fucking security tags everywhere. Motherfuckers. Speaking of Vapor Max, got some in the grade school section right here. These some Vapor Max. Oh, these are those weird ones. Okay, but yeah, dude got them for $53. Grade school, $53. Damn, my left foot feels all weird now. It's just crumbling. The heel is just crumbling. Moving over to the women's section. Yes. Damn, bigger sizes right here. I freaking hate Ross now. Damn, this place sucks. They don't even have much to show you guys, and I jacked up my Vapor Max. Burlington has been on fire at the same mall. They got a Ross. Now we're out in Torrance. Haven't been here in a couple years. Uptown Cheapskate. Back in the valley. Here's right here. What? Is this the 2018 release? One of my favorite shoes out there. I haven't seen these in forever. And I wanted to find one because I wanted to show you guys. They are out and about still. They are out and about.